I got a happy feeling. School was out. I was out of town. But then I realized the bitch named Michael's going through his hurricane cycle. Right near my ass, bitch, you need the pass. Nobody wants trouble, nobody wants fixing rubble. Bitch, your sorry ass away. Hurricanes have become cliche. Michael, Michael, go away, Michael, 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 go away, Michael. Nobody asked for this. We wanted bliss, but you brought your shit. Go back in the ocean, take a sip. But luckily you'll die out. Trust me, nobody will pout. You are causing drama. I should fuck your mama. Just leave in peace. You didn't sign a lease.